miaka 17 kutoka Sachei Primary School, Steven Sangamuye, Evans Colombe Syria,
within which to file and serve their response to the affidavit in opposition of bond. The prosecution shall also file and serve all authorities they intend to rely on in support of their application. The defense as well to file and serve any authorities they intend to rely on together with their response. The trial documents be supplied to the defense, and for avoidance of doubt, the prosecution to supply all documents they intend to rely on. That is by the next date, which shall be 15th of February 2024. So we shall hear the application to oppose bond or support, as the case may be, on 15th of February 2024 at 10:30. 10:30, Mr. Muller?
10:30 is okay. Yeah.
Kogeni atena Ekuirwo aria mathitangirwo gutharikira murutani munene wa cukuru wa secondary wa St Gabriel Isongo. Mundu gwitwo David Wafula wa Marwa ni makinyetio igoti na guthomerwo